Changing your payout method on Fiverr is a straightforward process that allows you to receive your earnings in a way that suits you best. Follow these steps to update your payout method. Step 1. Log into your Fiverr account. Start by logging into your Fiverr account using your username and password. Make sure you're on the main dashboard to access your account settings. Step 2. Access account settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use Assurk to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Go to Payout Preferences. In the Settings menu, look for the Payout Preferences tab. Click on it to view your current payout methods and options for changing them. Step 4. Choose your new payout method. In the Payout Preferences section, you will see various payout options such as PayPal, bank transfer, or Fiverr revenue card. Select the method you wish to use and follow the prompts to enter any required information. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new payout method details, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save button at the bottom of the page and click it to confirm your new payout method. Now you have successfully changed your payout method on Fiverr. If you have any further questions, feel free to consult Fiverr's Help Center for more assistance.